We are the singing hearts of love.
Singing hearts of love.
Hello, beautiful friends. I'm Lara.
I'm Rika.
We're so excited to be with you and to share a beautiful offering that we've been cooking up for a while.
Yes. We want to create a space where people come together and we explore our voices and our bodies and just letting ourselves have the freedom to play in our expressions.
Yes. Because, gosh, play is so important. And we just feel called to create this safe environment for you to give yourself that permission to let yourself release and express yourself and your beautiful heart through sound and with your body. So Rika and I met in Hawaii 3.5 years ago. We just said that we felt like it's been a generation since we've known each other. And we have been singing since we met at a Christmas party since day one. And we just feel like, oh my gosh, there's so much magic when we come together and just we're spontaneous and we just let things flow, and it tends to come out musically. We just thought it would be so cool to take it to the next level and to share that with you so that you can give yourself that beautiful permission and joy to let yourself playfully express yourself through sound.
Yeah, so we invite you to our first Singing Hearts of Love gathering next week, Wednesday, August 26th.
Mm-hmm. And it is on the waxing moon. Yes, so we often think of the new moon and the full moon as the anchoring points of the moon, but the waxing moon is pretty special too. Right, Rika?
Yes, it's the whole journey of the moon going from the dark new moon all the way to the illuminated full moon. So it's the journey of expansion and stepping into your expression. And so we thought that would be a perfect time to have our video call.
Exactly. So we'll do it through Zoom, and we would love for you to join us. So we are excited, and if you have any questions, please reach out to myself or to Rika. And it's going to be a beautiful, magical experience. So yes, we'd love for you to join us and play. Play, 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 play.
Play, 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 play.
Play, play, play. And there is organization around it too, but truly everything is by invitation. No musical background is required, and it really is about tuning into your soul, feeling witnessed and held, and opening to what Spirit wants to bring into your life in this moment.
All right, hope to see you there.
There! Mwah! Singing Hearts of Love.